need is my jack, my rotors pads, I'm going to clean with a wire brush, hammer to get the rotor off, C-clamp, brake grease, brake cleaner, PB blast to help get the rotor off, black paint, red paint, pallet jacks, blue tape, gloves. I got my jack stands under there, so I'm going to release the jack slowly to rest it on the jack stands. Got it jacked up. Now I'm going to take the tires off. Now I'm going to continue. Now I'm going to take my tire off. With the tire off, I'm just going to use a wire brush and clean it a little. I'm going to wear my safety gear while I do this. Alright, first I got to take this piece off, the caliper. And that's 2 screws right up here and 1 down here. The bottom one and this top one. Just wiggle it out and set it right here. Now I'm just gonna pull these off. Easy. And I think what I'm gonna do next is, I guess I'll take this piece up. Actually, I'm gonna compress these. I opened up my brake fluid. If yours is full, you could drain some out. Alright. So I'm just gonna put the old, try to make it easier to see. So I put the brake pad right here. I got my clamp, and I'm just gonna tighten it. And then once this goes in, I'm gonna move it on this side and do the same. I chose to stop there, and I'm gonna go on the other side. It should look like that when you're done. So I'm gonna wire brush it some more. Then I gotta take this off. And on these, I'm just gonna wire brush it some more. And just tape that off and that off. And spray paint it. So I wire brushed it. Now I'm gonna, before I spray paint it, I'm gonna hit it with brake cleaner. Take the rotor off, just spray here on all of them, hit it with the hammer a couple times, and it'll just pop out. Before I paint this, I'm also going to hit it with some brake cleaner. And then get this stuff out. So I wire brushed back here, and to turn it, pop the new rotor on, tight one so you could have it flat, and you can put the caliper on. take this tape off, painted my bracket, and this tape off. It looks like that. Now you can just pop it in here. Push it down. I'll do that to the next one. Once we get that, we can put our metal brackets in. The loop goes on the outside. Looks like that. All the loops are always on the outside. Now we can put this on. Just 2 bolts. 1, 2, I got it started. Caliper bracket bolts are 184 pounds of torque. Put a little grease here on all these metal pieces. The top one. Once you got that, you can get it nice and tight. You got your brake pads. They say left and front and rear. This is the rear. That's the front. If it's got ears, they usually go on the back. And to pop them in, you just I'm gonna wipe these down. Just a thin layer. And then you can take your pads. Had the wrong one. Metal on the outside. One down. Do the same on the back. Those going pretty easily, and then you can put your caliper on. Take my tape off over here and put the caliper on. Let me grab my bolts. These bolts go 27 pounds of torque.